Hi guys, so it is Cindy from Sister Saving You Cents, and welcome back, Scent Savers. I am one of two sisters that run this channel, and my name is Cindy. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank, but anyways guys, today is CVS Sunday. I made that up. So we're about to head to CVS once I jump in the car and drive over there. Today is June the 12th. These deals run through June the 18th. We have some pretty good deals. My CRTs are not the greatest, but I'm going to keep it simple, and I think we're going to have some money makers on our hands. So I hope that you guys are as excited as I am. We're about to head into the store. So let's go. Let's see what we can find. All right, y'all, let's go.
All right, so here's the first deal that I'm going to be doing this week, and hopefully you all got the CRT because I'm not using any paper coupons, just a CVS CRT. The Dial Complete hand soaps are $2.49 in my store, and I have a $2.50 CRT, making one of them completely free. Now, you could also do this deal online, but they are priced a little bit higher online, so it's kind of up to you. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up because it'll be completely free. Alrighty, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here's the next deal. I'm kind of bummed they're out of the Dove hand foaming soaps, but that's what you're gonna be looking for in your store. This week they're on sale for 2 for $8, so pick up 2 of them. I'm not using any coupons on this deal because I have none to use. Okay, so we're just gonna pay that $8 at the register. We're gonna get back a $3 extra care buck, bringing us down to $5. Go over and check your Ibotta account because we have $1.50 Ibotta rebates, and the hand soaps happen to be one of those items. So submit and get $3 back from Ibotta for submitting twice, and then submit for 2 fetch rewards for $1.25 each. That is going to make mine free and a 50-cent money maker, but keep in mind that your fetch may be 50% off, and if it is, it's going to be much larger money maker for you. So go ahead and pick it on up. All right, y'all, let me know if they have these in your store. Alrighty, so here is the next deal. This is on the Speed Stick deodorant this week. They're on sale for 2 for $6. When you buy 2, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck. So a couple things to keep in mind is that we do have 50-cent printable coupons. You can print 2 of those on the website, pay $5, get back $3 in extra care bucks, making these just $2 or $1 each. Y'all, I'm not picking up this deal because I do not like Speed Stick, but it is a great option if you need to stock up or if someone in your home uses it. Just pick it on up. All right, y'all. Next deal is on the Dove Men's Plus Care Dry Spray Deodorants. Now, guys, before I jump into this deal, please make sure that you're picking up the correct items. There are 2 promotions going on the deodorants. So there's a spend 15 get 5, and then there's a spend 25 get 10. Just make sure you're looking at your tags. I'm going to be doing the Dove Men Plus Care Dry Spray deal, which is buy one get one 50% off, spend 25 get 10. I'm going to pick up 4 of these deodorants, which is going to total me about $26, and then I'm going to use a 3 off of 15 CRT, and then 2 $5 off of 2 deodorant coupons from Save 65. I'm going to end up paying around $13.96 or $13.97. I'm going to get back $10 in extra care bucks, making these just about 99 cents each, which is not horrible. So let's pick it on up. All right, y'all. Okay, so the next deal is on the CoverGirl. This is really the star of the show this week. And y'all, I had recorded this in store, but that cooler in the back buzzes so loud that I had to re-record this clip. So this week, the CoverGirl is buy 3, get a $10 extra care buck. And CVS so graciously gifted us with a $5 mystery coupon this week. We also have digital coupons and app. We also have paper coupons. We also have printable coupons. So you can definitely do this deal. I forgot my scissors, so this is what we're picking up. One of the Outlast CoverGirl clear glosses. This is priced at $8.29. We have a $2 digital coupon that is attaching, so I'm going to pick up this item because I never get CoverGirl lip gloss. Now, the next item I'm looking at was the CoverGirl clear brow gel stuff. If you have the mascara priced at $7.29, get that, but this was priced at $7.29 and it attached to the $4 digital coupon, so that was the second item I was picking up. The third item I grabbed was the concealer. My store was completely out, but I grabbed one of them priced at $7.79, okay? All 3 of those items ended up costing me a little over, I think, 30, was it 20 bucks? I don't know. I don't have it right in front of me, and I probably should have pulled it up. But once you pick up those three, you're going to use a $4 digital coupon, another $4 digital coupon, a $2 digital coupon, the $5 CoverGirl CRT, and then the 6 off of 20 is what I had, the 6 off of 20. So I think it was around $23. After all the coupons came off, I ended up spending like $230 something. It made for such a great deal. And then it's just free plus like almost a $7 moneymaker. There's different ways you can do this deal. If you want to use all paper coupons and just get all brow items, you can. Either way, it'll be free. Okay guys, so here's the next deal. Now, I do not know how this is going to work, so we will have to see at the end of the video. But I have 2 buy 2 get 1 free CRTs on my account. And when I put 3 of these in my cart, it's taking off in my cart as in my online cart. It's taking off the 2, making it only like $7 to $8, but it's also taking off 20% since it's a CVS health item. So I'm going to pick these 3 up in store. This one is priced at $10.99, and these 2 are priced at $9.59. All 3 of them together are $30.17, and they are part of the spend 30, get a $10 extra care buck. So I'm going to pick up the 3, use those 2 buy 2 get 1 free coupons, and then hopefully the CVS Health 20%. Y'all, if you want that full 20% to come off, you're not going to be able to use extra care bucks. Pay with a gift card or pay in cash. I'm going to pay either one of the 2 or just a debit card or whatever. These should be as low as free. If not, they may be $1, just depending. But with that 20% off, we'll just have to see what happens, but I'll keep you updated. But all 3 of these should be completely free, and this is a fantastic deal. All right, y'all, pick it on up. All right, so once again, we have a great deal this week on the Hallmark. All the Hallmark items are buy 3 get a $3 extra care buck. So I am not at the same store from last week. So the best deal for me is going to be picking up these bows, because my store also does not have the 99-cent cards. We have 2 for $4, $2.99. Every now and then they'll have a 99-cent card. So there's multiple ways you can do this deal. Now the best way is going to be picking up those small Hallmark bags from last week for 49 cents each, paying $1.47 and getting $3 back in extra care bucks, but I do not have those. So these bows here are $1.29. I'm going to pick up 3 of them for $3.87, get back $3 in extra care bucks, making them 87 cents. With, you know, holidays coming up, Father's Day is next weekend, I think. I'm going to go ahead and pick these up. So, yeah, and we have graduations and all kinds of things going on. I can definitely utilize these bows on a couple of gifts. All right, y'all, pick it on up. All right, so here's the next deal. This is on the Gillette Foamy. These are priced at $3.99. It also works on the regular, and there's some other Gillette shave creams that are included in this deal. These are priced at $3.99. They're buy 1 get 1 50% off this week. You're going to pick up 3 of them for this deal, because when you buy 3, you're going to get $8 back. So 3 are going to total you $9.97. You'll get $8 back in extra care bucks, making them $1.97 for all 3. It's not a bad deal. I don't have any CRTs. I won't be picking this up, but it's a good deal to mention if you do have some CRTs, and could lower your out-of-pocket cost, but they'll end up costing about 66 cents each. So great deal. Pick it on up. Alrighty, next deal is on the Colgate Max Fresh. Now, I think there's different Colgates included in this promotion. This is the first one I picked up and scanned, so this is the one I'm going to be telling you guys about. Select Colgates are $7.98 this week. No extra care bucks involved. They're just $7.98. We have a $7 digital coupon, making them just 98 cents for 2. So not too bad of a deal if you need to get some toothpaste this week at CVS. But all of my CRTs for toothpaste this week are very high, so I'm not going to be picking this deal up. I'm going to leave these right here on the shelf, so we put them on back. But if you need it, go ahead and pick it on up. You can also include it with, you know, other deals that you may have if you need to kind of stock up on some things. But I'll be passing this up this week, but pick it on up.
Okay, I am back at the house. Things went well, so I'd love to kind of jump straight into the things that I ended up picking up, because I completely forgot to show you guys what I actually decided to pick up. I wanted to kind of show you all the deals that I knew about that I felt like would be good. Our store was still tagging while I was in there, which is normal. But let's jump right into it. So my favorite deal, even beyond the CoverGirl, although it was a major moneymaker, has got to be the sunscreen deal that I told you guys about. It works, so I'd love to jump into the details. So the first 2 things I grabbed were the 2 clear sprays. These are $9.59 each. And then I picked up the 70, the Beach Guard at 70 SPF. So they're all 70 SPF, but this one's like beach. That's the major difference. So this one was $10.99. These were $9.59. That totaled $30.17. Let me pull this receipt. So I had 2 of those buy 2 get 1s on my account. And guys, I actually scanned these. When I looked at my account this morning, I could not see them. I didn't see them anywhere. When I scanned them in the store, because I knew that, or at least I thought I had some sun care on this account, but I didn't. But I ended up having these, and this was much better. So they're buy 2 get 1 free on the CVS sun care, and I had 2. So they both took off $9.59 for the lesser ones, and then that 20% care pass did take off $2.20. Yeah, on the $10.99 one. So there was a major savings. I only paid $8.79, and you guys, I paid that with a CVS gift card. I got it through Fetch. If you pay with your extra care bucks, it's not going to take any additional off the 20%. So it really just depends on what you would rather do. You can either have the extra savings, or you can just pay that $10.99. Either or, because if you roll that $10 extra care buck, it's just not gonna apply anything. It'll just take that 20% off the 99 cents, I guess, or something like that. That's left over from the $10.99. Anywho, just use a gift card. That's the easiest thing, or pay cash or debit. Anywho, I paid the $8.79. I got back the $10 extra care buck, so it definitely worked, which is really exciting. That was hands down my favorite deal. Then I also ended up doing the transaction for the Dove, and I ended up picking up the Dove over the Axe, even though the Axe was less, because I did not want 6 Axe body sprays. I just didn't. I got too much stuff, y'all. So I picked up the 4 Doves, and I used the 2 $5 paper coupons and the 3 off of 15. And then I also rolled a $10 extra care buck. So all in all, it's $13.96. I rolled a $10 extra care buck, got back $10, making it $3.96 for all 4, which is 99 cents each. Still a great deal. And I knew that my CoverGirl was going to cover that overage, so I was like, might as well do it. Now, last but not least, I ended up picking up the CoverGirl Clear Outlast Lip Color, the brow gel, and the concealer. This is an all digital deal for me. I didn't want to clip any coupons. I didn't submit to the coupons.com app, and we were honestly out of a lot of stuff, so this was the easiest thing. I used all digital coupons in the CVS app. Then I also picked up the dial and the 3 bows because our store just didn't have anything less. So the $4 digital for the CoverGirl came off, the other $4 digital came off, and the $2 digital for the lip gloss came off, as well as the 6 off of 20 for the CoverGirl, and then my $5 CoverGirl mystery coupon, and my $2.50 for the dial. So after all the coupons came off, I ended up owing $6.24. I rolled a $5 extra care buck, so I ended up paying $1.24, and then I got back my $13 in extra care bucks, if I can get this up. So that ended up being a really great deal and a moneymaker. So all in all, with everything that I ended up purchasing, it ended up being a $4.01 moneymaker for all 3 of the transactions that I did. So really great deals this week. But also I want to clarify that the sunscreen deal is a part of the spend 30 get 10 or the spend 45 get 15. This just was the better deal for me to make it completely free, plus a money maker. It just made the most sense. So guys, let me know what deals you're doing this week. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tune in for Monday's Walmart video. All right, y'all. Bye, guys.